Move your toes.
Okay. Do one. Call.
Are you played out, Happy? Are you played out? Your tongue's hanging out an awful long way. Hey, Happy! 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 Stubborn head. Where's your toy? Did you do it a good going over? Are you played out? Hey! Here, sit down so you can get a video. Hey, what's going on? You tired? Did you get a toy? I think you went somewhere where there was a broken toy, all the stuffing. I was supposed to fix it, but I didn't fix it yet. And he got into it, and he dug it out. Did you dig it out, Happy? He got into it and he dug it out. And he's like, hey, this is my toy. And he knocked everything over to pull it out. And then he played with it and played with it till there was nothing left to it over there in the corner but an empty carcass and all the stuffing. He pulled out all the stuffing. But he's not a bad boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy, eh? He said, I just wanted my toy, Mom. And now I'm played out and my tongue is hanging out of my mouth. That's too funny. Did you find a toy, Happy? What do you think? What do you think? Man, doing your video, I don't know if it's zoomed in or zoomed out or what, but it's weird. Yeah. What do you think? Happy. What do you think? Did you find a toy? Where is it? Where's the toy? Where is the toy? Did you get it? He says, I don't want to see a toy right now. I'm played out. He played myself out. He played out. Bye, Happy.